Why consistency beats talent. What if I told you that talent isn't the reason someone wins? What if the real power, the real weapon, the real separator, is something far less glamorous? Something almost boring, but unstoppable. There was once a boy named Daniel. He wasn't the smartest in class. He wasn't the fastest athlete. He wasn't the most gifted speaker. And every time people compared him with others, they always said the same thing: he's average, nothing special. But Daniel had something the others didn't have. He had consistency. Every single day, without skipping, without excuses, without waiting for motivation, he showed up. He read 10 pages every day. He practiced his skills for 1 hour every day. He improved little by little, microscopic progress, but never stopped. While talented people around him were brilliant for a week, then disappeared for a month, Daniel kept going. Day after day. Month after month. Year after year. And slowly, the line of progress began to bend upwards. Not overnight. Not suddenly. But inevitably. Because consistency compounds. And what is small today becomes powerful tomorrow. This is the law of the universe. This is the law of success. One day, Daniel became the best in his field. Not because he was gifted. Not because he was born special. But because he never stopped doing the small things every day. People looked at him now and said, "Wow, what talent." But they didn't see the reality. They didn't see the small steps. They didn't see the boring days. They didn't see the days when he felt tired, unmotivated, empty, but still showed up. Talent is a gift. Consistency is a choice. And the choice is more powerful than the gift. So if today you feel average, if today you feel you're not special, remember this truth: consistency beats talent when talent becomes inconsistent. Show up daily. Even on the days you don't feel like it. Even when no one sees you. Even when there are no results yet. Because results grow silently. Success grows quietly. And then suddenly, people call you lucky. But luck is simply the reward of those who were consistent long enough to collect it. Stay consistent. Do the work daily. Master the boring. Because success belongs to the ones who refuse to stop. If this message inspired you, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs this reminder today.